I wanted to show you with this short video was how easy and quick it is to create a custom list. Now, you're probably already using a custom list. So something like January, if you drag that with the fill handle, you get the other months of the year. And another one that you might not know is the days of the week. So if you drag Monday, you can get all of the days of the week. So they are called custom lists, and you can use them for other things. So I'm going to create one for the states. So I'm from WA, so that's why I've got WA at the top. So what I want to do is type in WA and drag that and get all of the other states to appear magically. And we can do that. So let's see how to do it. Now, theoretically, you'll have your list somewhere already, probably. So all you need to do is have it ready. So let's start the clock. Here we go. So just select your list, click File, and then Options. So on the left-hand side, about 2/3 of the way down. And then on the left again, about 2/3 Advanced. It's sort of like they've tried to hide this. Someone in my training session said more like buried it. Scroll all the way down once you've selected Advanced, and Edit Custom Lists is what you want. And all you need to do is, once you've selected it, click Import. If you had forgotten to select it, you could select it in here, and then just go click OK, and OK again. And you're done, so we can stop. So the custom list is created. So I can go anywhere and type in WA and drag that and get the other states. Now it does loop through pretty much like the days and the months, so it will go starts back at WA when you do it. It matches the case. Now in this case, we pretty much always use the uppercase, but for example, if you did have a proper case with a capital letter, it will match that. So custom lists really useful for things like departments, branches, products, things or lists that you use a lot, and to save you copying and pasting, you can just type the first one and then drag it. The other advantage is it does create the sequence as well. So you can create your own sequence there basically. So it's not alphabetical order, it's whatever sequence you want. So custom lists, one thing I should mention, they exist on the machine that you create them as well. So for example, if you email a file to someone, that list will still be there, but they won't be able to do the drag until they create the custom list on their machine. So whether it's a PC or a laptop, you only create it once though in those steps that I showed you. I'll just quickly go through those again. So basically File, Options, Advanced, scroll all the way down, Edit Custom Lists. Now this is actually where you can edit them if you want. So if you wanted to add one, take one away, those sort of things, you can do that on this right hand side. If you're using it for things like names, or I've seen it used for people's names, for people creating rosters and things like that. So if you do need to edit the list, you just come back in here and do that. You just need to click OK and OK again. So 2 OKs there. Hope you found that useful. Thanks for watching.